Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I will be doing an unboxing, and these items that I've got here are from Staud. I'm not sure if you guys are all familiar with the brand Staud. I think they were founded here in Los Angeles, California, if I am not mistaken, but I have tried their leather goods. I have tried their ready-to-wear, and the quality are excellent. They are like the leather that they have, like all those purses right here on my background, they are beautiful. And on top of that, I got all of them. I think majority of them I got them on sale, and they are totally worth it. So a week ago they have a promotion. It is more likely they called it a sample. So I took advantage of that and I purchased several items, ready-to-wear stuff, and also this lovely purse that I have here. And the price is perfect. I can't say no to the prices that they have. And on top of that, they have an additional discount. Well, all the items were all discounted. Some of the items too are final sale. Also, on top of that, there is an additional 30% if you purchase, if you purchase over, I guess it was $300 US. So you'll get 30% on top of that. And the prices are unbeatable. So anyway, I just recently got this. It came in with this huge box, and I've got several items in here. So let me start with the first item. And oh my gosh. So the first item, so let me just take it out from the bag so that we'll be able to see this beauty right here. And wow, I mean, I see them from time to time at Saks Fifth Avenue, and oh wow, the prices, the regular price for these items are insane. So when I found out that they have a sample sale, and it was heavily discounted, guys, oh wow, I jumped on it. And this is a sweater right here. Look at that. It is a sweater. It is a two-tone sweater, and the color is in tan and white. So this is the tag that came in with. And also, yeah, it is $145 US, the retail price, and I got this for $50. Imagine paying for $145 plus tax, and I got this for $50 with all the discounts. So this is in a size extra small, and this one is very stretchy, and it seems that, of course, the quality is great, and you could literally feel right now of how beautifully, wow, oh my gosh, this one is so beautiful. Well, with the price that I paid for, $50, I mean, you can't beat that price. I got this color, that's because I think this is perfect for winter or fall. So yeah, this is absolutely gorgeous. And they came in with a lot of different colorways, and I think this one is pretty. And also, I have actually placed several items in cart, and wow, they sold out pretty fast. So this is the first item that I've got. This one is so perfect. And then the next item is, okay, in this lovely colorful fabric. And let me just show you. I have to take it out from the bag just to show you this beauty right here. And it is Look at this. Oh, the color is absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh. They actually called this a Shoko sweater, like that. And this one is priced as $165, and I got it for $70. And wow, the prices are pretty good. It is in the size, what size did I get for this? Extra small. And it is a long sweater dress right here. It has a long sleeve in it. It's a beautiful variations of color. We have the magenta color. We have the tangerine, the blue. I think this is the color. The color combination is captivating on this piece right here. This is quite long, guys. I'm just going to insert the photo of these. They have a stock photo on the website so that you'll have an idea how this would look. It is pretty long right here. Wow, the color combination is absolutely gorgeous. Even though this is not a winter or fall outfit, I must say, but I have to have it. The color is so beautiful. Even on the website, I haven't really seen it in person yet. I totally love the colors. So yeah, it is what I expected. It is gorgeous. Oh, lovely, lovely color. And also they came in with a lot of colorway, all the combinations of colors that you'd like. You'll see it there, but I think it only happens for a few days. Right now, if you check the website, basically you're not going to be able to access the sample sale. That's because it is only available for a limited period of time. Yet you could still find this, the Shoko sweater, but it is going to be the regular price. I'm not really sure if this color is still available. Maybe later on for Black Friday sale, it may come back, but a lot of the discounted items, they usually comes back later when they have a promotion. But this one, it is part of the sample sale, which has a very limited quantity right here. I also have added several colors, but then again, when I want to check out, it is no longer available, so I have to redo the checkout several times to get all the things that I wanted. So this is the second item. It's called Shoko sweater. Lovely. Absolutely. I mean, the quality, wow, it's absolutely amazing. And this one is quite stretchy as well. So I am size extra small for this, and it is quite stretchy though right here. So moving on to the next item, we have another dress, and it is a Shoko dress. Let me open this one first. And wow, I have seen this from Saks Fifth, and I'm not sure if they do have, yeah, they put them on sale from time to time with different other colors, but the price is still a little over $100 though. But I know I paid $70 for this plus tax, so almost $80 for this beauty right here. And again, this color combination. This is actually, yeah, the same as the other one. It is actually has this long sleeve and this beautiful color combination right here. It is quite long, and this one is perfect for fall and winter look. I believe this one is perfect, but for some reason I got the size small in here. I have to check my receipt if I got this right, because I usually buy the extra small. Extra small fits perfectly for me. And yeah, this is size small. It's $165. The regular price for this would go on sale from time to time and Saks, but it's still a little bit more. So yeah, when you yeah, you all you have to do is just go to the website and sign up for their notifications whenever, with their newsletter, whenever they have a promotion. They're gonna notify you if they have one, and then yes, you will be the first. You'll get the first dibs on what they have for that promotion. So this is the third item. Wow, it just feels so luxurious, though. The material is absolutely amazing. And last but not the least, this is, okay, oh my gosh, this one. This item actually sold out so quick. So when I received that notification that they have a sample, right away I look at the items, what they have, so quickly, and right away that's just started to sold out. I think they it shows there's only one or two left. So right away when I saw this, there's only one left, and right away I put it in my cart with the rest of my items. But luckily this one didn't really sold out as much as the others. Like, they didn't really sold out when I went to check out. So I was happy because this is the only bag that I really wanted in from all the collections that they have. So let me show you this beauty right here. Oh, the packaging is well wrapped right here. Oh my gosh, look at the contrasting stitching in it, in the brown color. Beautiful contrasting stitching right there. So let me just remove the paper. Just wanted to see. Okay. Wow, this was wrapped tightly. Okay, there we go. Okay, here she is. Oh my gosh, this purse is perfect for fall. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. This is actually called the mini shearling bag. Wow, in this tan color. And I am after for the shearling. Oh my gosh, it feels so lovely. It feels so soft. And it has feet right there. There's stamping, the brand stamping right there. It says Staud. And it seems like the shearling is overlapping in here. Yeah, for some reason. But that's just how it is. But then again, I paid $65 on this beauty right here after the discount. So yeah, I can't complain. The beautiful detailed in it. Wow, this is made up of a smooth leather right here. Wow. Look at the detail on the side. I just love that the stitching's actually popped out. Like, wow, it's so beautiful with this saddle color, with the brown color, and with those lovely stitching. Oh, that's definitely my weakness when it comes to craftsmanship, guys. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. This is the side right here. Okay, I was checking this item. Maybe, I'm not really sure if the sample items are returned items. I'm not 100% sure though, but I know the price are crazy. It's like too good to be true, knowing that this one is priced around, yeah, this is $375 and I got it for $65. Can you believe that? And it is says right here, genuine fur dyed lamb. It is a lamb shearling, fur origin are made in Spain. So wow. And also, what else do we have here? Okay, the interior has this beautiful olive big suede lining. So it is like a suede lining. Very nice. It isn't that soft though. It's not soft as the microfiber, but yeah, that's the nature of the suede right there. It looks like, yeah, like it's fading or something like that. But I love that green color, the olive color. Right here, the inside. There's another paper from one paper to another. So this is how it looks inside. Very lovely. And it also has this D-ring right here where you could put this strap. Wow, I love it. It's such a cute evening bag, like if you wanted to go out for dinner or if you want to carry little stuff with you. I think this one is gorgeous. Wow, so beautiful. This one actually sticking out a little bit right there, but that's okay. I can literally trim this. And now we have the pouch. So majority of the shearling pouch, no, bag, I mean, came in with a pouch. So this is the matching pouch, and it's definitely worth it. It's totally worth it with how much I paid for. Definitely worth it. Wow, it's beautiful. Look at that. Oh gosh, the stitching is absolutely amazing. So this is the pull tab right here. It says Staud. And I can't believe I paid $65 for this. Oh my gosh. So the inside, okay, they put the strap. I was wondering, where's the strap? So this is the strap that came in with, which also has the same color as the purse. And yeah, the interior. Yeah, the interior looks and feels luxurious. Wow, you could just carry this as a clutch. Just like that. Wow, there is a bunch of stuffing in there. Yeah, that is the branding right there inside. And yeah, this one is smooth leather, so more likely this is gonna be prone with scratches and all sorts, but I care less. That's because I didn't pay thousands and thousands of dollars for this. And look at the quality, the craftsmanship, guys. The price is unbeatable. Wow, this is absolutely amazing. You could just use this by itself. I could put this inside my Neverfull. It's a cosmetic pouch. It reminds me of the Louis Vuitton cosmetic pouch right here at the bottom. It's absolutely amazing. So yeah, when you get a chance, sign up with their newsletter. So when they have a promotion later on, maybe with the Black Friday sale, you would get yeah, you will get a notification. I was just hoping that there's gonna be a lot more so I could shop a little bit more for Christmas. And I think this is also a perfect gift for such a reasonable price. So yeah, I have this lovely shearling, wow, purse right here. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. It's so cute. Oh, the combination of the shearling right here, the stitching and the leather and this color, the olive inside. Wow. Amazingly beautiful. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.